Hey guys, how are you all doing today? This episode will be I'll be going through some steps of how to get your CDL and your CDL permit in Texas, and this could apply to persons all over the United States. The procedures are pretty much the same. On this first slide, it said, "How do I apply for a commercial driver's license?" Okay, the first thing you have to do, what is a commercial driver's license? A commercial driver's license is a permit that allows the holder to operate large commercial vehicle and buses and public roadway in Texas or in the United States. And in order to operate any form of commercial vehicle, you have to have a CDL.
What type of CDL are there? Class A permits the holder to operate a combination of vehicle with a gross combination rate ratings of £26,000. Class B permits the holder to operate any single vehicle with a GVWR of £26,001 or more. Class C permits the holder to operate any single vehicle or combination of vehicle that is not a Class A or Class B if the vehicle designed to transport 16 to 23 passengers, including the driver.
All right. What are endorsements? Depending upon what you will be transporting, you may need one or more of the following six endorsements. An endorsement allows you to operate certain types of commercial motor vehicle and transport specific items. For instance, in my line of work, I haul tankers to the oil field. A lot of times I'll be taking flammable liquid. So in order for me to transport those tankers, I'm gonna need a hazardous material endorsement on my license. Also, I'm operating a combination vehicle, so I have to do a combination endorsement also in order to operate my tractor trailer. You also have six different type of endorsement. You have doubles, triple trailers. T that's a T endorsement. This endorsement allow you to tow a double or a triple trailer. For example, those FedEx trucks that's all in two trailers. Passenger, which is P endorsement. This endorsement allow you to operate a vehicle that carry a specific number of passengers. Greyhound bus, for example, you need a P endorsement for that. A tank vehicle endorsement. This endorsement allow you to operate a tank vehicle. This vehicle is designed to safely transport liquid or liquefied gaseous material, such as like the gas stations, those trucks that all to the gas stations.
Hazardous material. This endorsement allows you to transport hazardous materials such as flammable or combustible liquid, gases, or explosive. You will be required to complete a comprehensive state and federal background check. School buses, that's the S endorsement. This endorsement allows you to operate a school bus. Combination of N and H will give you a X endorsements, and this is a combination of endorsement allow you to transport hazardous material in a tank vehicle.
Alright. When applying for your CDL, you need to verify which of these you want to do. Interstate or intrastate. They are different. So interstate commerce is trade, traffic, or transportation within the US between a place in a state or a place outside such state or outside of the US, or between two places in a state throughout another state or outside the US. This means you can transport products all over the US. And then intrastate commerce is the transporting of property where the point of origin and destination are within one state or the state line, or an international boundary is not crossed. When applying for your CDL, you're going to need a medical certification. And you can get this from your doctor or any other emergency care places. And this is basically to certify you that you are fit and healthy to operate a motor vehicle. So once you have determined which form you will be certifying to, review the instruction on the form very carefully to determine if you need to provide and maintain a current medical card, medical examiner's certification with the department. When you have your CDL, you're gonna need to have your medical card with you at all times. Uh, Before you can get a CDL, you're gonna need a commercial learner's permit, which is a CLP. When applying for a CLP, you will need to provide the following: US citizenship, or evident that you're a lawful resident, or you can use your resident ID. So it's a Texas resident, and you can use any state you're in. You're gonna need to prove that you're a resident of that state. You need to verify identity, social security number, the self-certification of medical status, and also you're gonna need the medical examiner certification, evidence of Texas vehicle registration for each vehicle you own, and proof of insurance on all the vehicle that you own. Once you have all the required documents, you can go ahead and complete the following. Complete the CDL application before arriving to the office. Visit your local driver's license office. Provide the following documentation to the license and permit specialist. The CDL application for the issuance of the CLP, which is the commercial learner's permit. US citizen, or if you are not a US citizen, evidence of lawful resident. Your Texas resident ID, your identification card, and a social security number. You're gonna need to provide all of those to the person who will be taking care of your application. You're gonna need to pay the application fee, provide a thumbprint. You have to take a picture, then you have to pass a vision exam, and then pass the knowledge test for the appropriate driver's license, including any endorsement you will be adding to your license. And then the knowledge exam must be taken in the following order. Texas commercial rule. That's any state you're in, that's what the first one they're going to do for your state. General knowledge combination for Class A only, air brakes if applicable, and endorsement. Schedule your skill test at one of the CDL testing location, and that's basically any of those testing location you can schedule your test right there. Applying for a commercial driver's license. Now, once you have held your CLP for a minimum of 14 days, you are eligible for completing the necessary driving test to obtain your CDL. You will need to provide a commercial motor vehicle for the driving test. The commercial motor vehicle must be representative of the type of CLP you hold. All right, you're going to complete the CDL application, you're going to provide the documentation, then you're going to apply, you're going you're going to present the application, the identity, and your social security number again, and then you're going to pay the necessary fees. Provide a thumbprint, have your picture taken, pass the vision exam, pass the driving test, which consists of the vehicle inspection, which is a pre-trip test, and then the basic vehicle control, which is the reversing and all of that. And then also you're going to have to complete the road test. And the road test is probably the most important one. So that's when they're going to test to see if you can actually drive the truck that you want to get your CDL with. And that sums everything up. And as I said, you guys could just go online and go on the DPS for your particular state and do some more reading. But the process is not hard. So, don't let the lot of steps confuse you. As I said, just go ahead and get it done. You know what I mean? So, and I'm gonna have some more resources in some other videos in terms of like test questions and pre-chip inspections and a few more resources that can help you to get your CDL. And I just want to tell you guys thanks again for watching, and please like and subscribe and share. Thank you.